Okay, welcome back. As we proceed, let us take a look at the operators frequently used in Microsoft Excel. Now, this is mathematics and this is Excel. Plus sign is still plus sign, that is the addition. Subtraction, which is minus, is still minus. Multiplication sign. Now, because we don't have the actual figure or the actual value in the keyboard, we use Exteris. Exteris can be gotten from pressing the keyboard combination Shift and 8. Shift and 8 on the keyboard. Okay, then the division sign, which is this, is now forward slash because we don't have this sign on the keyboard. The greater than sign is still greater than sign. The less than sign is still less than sign. Greater than or equal to, please look here, the greater than or equal to sign now is greater than or equal to, using the sign. Less than or equal to, this is what we use in mathematics. Then less than or equal to, this is what we use in Microsoft Excel. To get this done, all you just need to do is press the less than sign on the keyboard and press the equal to sign. You get it. The same with the greater than or equal to. All you just need to do is press the greater than and press equal to on the keyboard. So over to this one. 2 raised to power 2. In mathematics, this is the way we write it. 2 raised to power 2. Then in Microsoft Excel, we now do 2 caret 2. This sign can be seen in number 6. Press Shift and the number 6. Shift 6 gives you this caret sign. 2 raised to power 2. To get that done, just press 2 on the keyboard, hold down the Shift key, press 6 and press 2. So having understood this, let us quickly look at how to impute values in Excel. Please note that when we type in alphabets like Obi, you see the alphabet is being left aligned. But when you type in a number like 20, the numbers are being right aligned in Microsoft Excel. That is just the way it is being set. Alphabet left aligned, or words left aligned, then numbers right aligned. So that being said, let us look at how to add in one or two values in Excel. Let us look at the addition sign in Microsoft Excel. Assuming I have these numbers. So assuming I have these numbers in Excel, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers to add together in Excel. Now, remember, when referring to values in Excel, we refer to the cell reference. Now, all these numbers are in column E. They are in column E. Now, let's look at 50, for instance. 50 is in column E4. Column E4. This is column E, and this is row 4. So here is cell E4. Cell E4, I beg your pardon, not column. Cell E4. If I have 60 here, for instance, 60 is in cell I3. I have 20 here. 20 is in cell B2. In cell B2, even if you look at the name box, you see it is the currently selected cell is cell B2, telling you this is 20. If I click on this cell, which is the currently selected cell, you will see it is cell I3. Look at the name box, it is showing cell I3. If I click on this one, you already guess what it is. Cell E7. Let's have it see, look at it at the name box, cell E7. So if that being said, let us look at how to add 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of these numbers in Microsoft Excel. So to add these 4 numbers in Microsoft Excel, the first thing for you to do is to press the equality sign on the keyboard, that is equal to sign. So you put the equality sign and parentheses open for clarity purposes. The first value is 50, which is in cell E4. Cell E4 plus 60, which is in cell E5. Then plus 20, which is in cell E6. Followed finally by 45, which is in cell E7. So what we just did is E4, cell E4 plus cell E5 plus cell E6 plus cell E7. We'll now close the parentheses and press enter. It gives us the value 175. Now when you look at the formula bar, which is this one, this is the formula bar. When you look at the formula bar, you'll be able to see all those formulas equal to bracket open E4, E5 plus E6 plus E7. Congratulations, we have added 4 numbers in Excel. Thank you.